Okay, guys, this we have here is our gold. Let's try and see what our gold will be making for the next day. So we clearly can see that we were expecting a bearish move on our gold, right? Which we actually did. You can see on the 21st, gold gave us a bearish move. So we would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day. So once we take a look at this gold itself, possibly we will be expecting a bullish move anytime soon, right? Just that we are waiting for it to actually get to a level before we actually expect that bullish move. And I can see this gold, we are actually at that level, right? So take a look at this level, right, guys? So if you take a look at this price, right, you can see that price has once reacted at this level. We saw price drop to the same level, right? And we saw price went up before price, it see that price reacted by this level by going up, and now price has broken below it. Then price give us a pullback to test the same level again twice. We saw price has once reacted to this level again, where price actually came to this level. We saw price drops, right? Now if you take a look at it, zoom it, if you have to put it further, you'll see that price is now at this level, right? So what I personally would be expecting on this gold is rather a bullish move. So watch out for it anytime soon. Bullish move will be made, but a confirmation needs to be made before you actually go long. Because once you go long on this gold, you might be taken out of this trade and you will lose a lot. So you would have to confirm. Though we would go later, we would go in depth on how to confirm it. So if you take a look at this gold, right, you see that a pullback has been made. We are now expecting a bullish move on this gold. Now let's see what this Fibonacci says. Like, because we can see that this gold is on a retracement and we would want to see if the retracement is over. So we will take a look at it from here. You can see the retracement. It is at a retracement level of 23.6. So this is a confirmation that anytime soon gold will start pushing up. And if in case gold drops further, then we will definitely see that bullish move at a level of 38.2. But I personally believe we will get it at a level of 23.6. But if in case this gold drops further, guys, then definitely we will be getting that bullish move at a level of 38.2. So watch out for a level of 23.6 on gold for us to have that, bullish move, right? So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. You can see on the 4-hour time frame, this is like a bearish move, right? We are on a pullback level, which is on a pullback level on the daily time frame. So this 4-hour time frame is, bearish move. Price is dropping. We can see that the price is below the 10 period moving average. So it is not a good time to actually go long. So the only time I would advise you to go long is possibly once the price breaks above our moving average. Possibly if the price is above our moving average, then you can go long on this gold. If not, I'll just advise you to just stay out of this trade or continue to short this gold except until price moves up, break our 10 period moving average. Then you can now go long on this gold, because there's every possibility gold can even just further to take out this lows here. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying you should be very, very careful before you place that trade, because if in case gold just for that to take this trade, might lose a lot. So you would want to see it start giving us that bullish move till it is above our moving average. Then you can now take the price up, or you can possibly go to the 30 minutes time frame, right? When you see multiple break or structure upward on the 30 minutes time frame, then you can go long. Possibly a movement like this impulse move, here would be the correction. Here, if next price can break above this ice and price give us a pullback, then maybe possibly you can wait for it to start giving us that rally movement. Once it is giving us that rally movement, then you can enter to go long on this gold, and price will continue its bullish move upward. Then possibly it can come back, give us a pullback, and again another impulse move. So wait for a multiple break of structure upward on the 30 minutes time frame before you consider to go long. I'll say it again, wait for a multiple break of structure upward before you enter to go long on this our gold for the day. So if in case price does not go long, then we might possibly see to drop to this level to take out this level on our gold.